Hey, what's up, guys? Once again, it's me from Best Car Autos. So, this is another new edition for us. Car is gonna go for sale as well. This is 07 Acura TL. This is the most highest version of it. It one has a sunroof up here. You see, these are standard. This is called Knight Rider Black on it. Let's talk about the engine first. So this is a pretty decent size Acura TL engine, pretty big engine as well. So here is the engine part. This is 3.0 VTEC engine, pretty big. You see, engine doesn't have any knocking or anything. It's a very smooth engine, very good condition. This car in the Mayhem auction rating, it comes out 4.7 out of 5. So pretty good car. And you see, now talk about the dents on this car. There is nothing mentionable in the front. Okay, let's come to the back. Even in the back, this car, nothing is mentionable. There is only one up here. It is what it is. Couple of scratches, like a little bit in the back, and in this side there might be a considered as a dent, but it's pretty minor. And when you are driving in this color, especially Knight Rider Black, it's barely visible, especially if you have some dents. Now overall car condition, it's pretty decent. Especially I'm talking about the headlights. This one this is 07 TL, that's why this one have a clear backlight. You see, the black light whole top shield is clear. Usually it comes out as a red. And what else? Talking about the interiors, it's black with a beige interior on it. You see, it's a beige interior, total beige. This is the condition of the interior. Let's talk about the behind. This one have a decent, there is a net so that anything smaller, it doesn't whip off or it doesn't goes. You can put a barrier on this one. Standard size tire with a jag and everything. There are wheel locks. Okay, these are original wheel locks from Acuras with the extra wheel on it as well. Yes, these are all sets with wheel lock and extra bolts for the spare tire. Then let's talk about the sound system on the back. This one I already mentioned you that this is a very good Acura TL, and this was it's a limited one, so they have different thing. There is a 2-speaker, not in the door, it's actually in the back, and in the middle you see it's a main bass subwoofer, and in the front there are speaker as well on the door, but not, I believe, no, there is no speaker on the back door. Now let's talk about the engine section. You see, it's clean, no check engine light, nothing. It's a pretty decent car, clean title, only 132,000 mileage on it. Okay, let's get inside and let's take a test drive. Let's talk about the little bit of interior. Okay, Acuras, they are very good on interiors, no question about it, everybody knows that. Radio, we have the radio codes and everything. This one have a original guide from Acura. Yes, there are radio codes up here. I put it on when I get it from auction. Then you see the silver panel. It looks really gorgeous on it, truly speaking. The silver panels. Now let's talk about, you see the wooden panels up here on the doors. You see the black wooden finish. Let's start driving, and of course it's a 3.0. Let's see how it drives. So far, yeah, it's pretty nice, smooth ride. Yeah, it's pretty good. There is no jacking, nothing. 3.0, it's yeah, pretty good amount of torque as well. You see, I go through with a lot of potholes, and you see the roads are really bumpy, but I won't be able to feel anything because of the suspension. Of course, Acuras are very good on suspensions and everything. Now, yes, this one have a projection heading mirrors on the backs. You see those are little bit bluish one. When you are driving at night, it's not gonna bother, the behind guy is not gonna bother you. This one have a auto as well. You see there is a auto button of it. It's gonna getting little bit gloomy darky, so that the behind guy is not gonna bother on you. Now let's talk about the sunroof. You see it's a pretty decent size sunroof. Yeah, these are things all standard on Acuras. Every door have a door handle. You see it's locked and everything. You see this one have a dual AC system, AC on the back. It's pretty comfortable, especially in hot summer. Yeah, we need it, no question about it. Let's talk about the outside a little bit. This one also have a HID projection headlight, pretty nice. Two big fog lights. It looks really cool at night, but we are doing in the hot summer in a daytime, so but it is what it is. It's showing up. Then let's turn on the high beams. Yes, this is pretty good. Let's talk about the tire grip a little bit. This one have all the tires are, I will say, almost like a brand new. You see good amount of tread on it. It's almost like a brand new tire. You see all the tires. Let's come to the back. Yes, the back tire have a almost like this amount of tread. You see it's pretty good. Let's this side. Yeah, I told you that it's actually, you see all the tires are new, almost like a new. It's pretty good tread amount of tires. So if you want this car, please make sure go to the link below. We're gonna put a price and everything. You will see our advertisement over there, and that's all for this car. See you on next video, see you on next car, and hopefully make sure like, subscribe, all the things you have to do for us. Do it, appreciate. If you want to dislike it. If you don't like it, but this is all our hard works. This is gonna go soon, so grab it as early as possible. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.